Good morning.
Oh, I didn't realize you were videotaping.
I just put it on.
I was gonna do something to you.
What were you gonna do? Oh. You can do that anytime. Huh?
Get your mind out of the gutter.
Let me fix my hair.
I'm too green.
No, it's good. It's good.
I should have.
You'll blend in. It'll make for good pictures. We are in Juneau. Mom's been saying Juneau.
No,
Juneau.
I'm saying you know.
Juneau.
You know.
Juneau. We have from 7:30 to 2:30. No, 7 to 2:30 today. So we're gonna try and go see the Mendenhall Glacier. It's supposed to be raining. And you hear Jocelyn in the bathroom? What the heck? Could be some fun activities, but we shall see how the day goes.
Oh man, look.
Okay.
I'm gonna take him with the bear.
Hug the bear.
Hug the bear.
Hug the bear.
Thumbs up.
Mom. Mom. Mom.
We need to make the decision before the bus leaves.
All these buses, Mom. I think we just need to buy the tickets and go because there's no other way to get there. What's 45 times 3?
135.
Oh, that's not bad. That's the price of your ticket from yesterday.
You perform that kind of behavior, they start thinking it's dinner time. So stand still and enjoy your encounter. And don't worry about these bears are used to having 500,000 people come through their backyard each season, so they really know more about what to do with you than you will with them.
That's the glacier right there.
I'll give you $1 to stick your toe in the water.
Only $1?
Yeah.
Can you get a video of me really quick? It's already rolling. Ready? Point it that way. Yeah. Gaslight.
It's cold, it's chilly. It's chilly over here.
The only whale we've seen. Actually, can you take a picture of me?
Corner here, you go past Juno Drug, you would run into the Rookery restaurant. Now out on the pier here, we have Bernadette's, and they're serving up Filipino.
Why are you running away from me? Don't run away. It's a big old bird.
Good. Just shit it. Yeah, I saw that.
What? Oh my god.
I'm scared to talk. So I'm breaking my veganism for the second day in a row to eat crabby sliders and crab cakes with the extra sauce.
Period. We've got crab sliders, crab cakes, french fries, and crab bisque over rice. Wow. Jocelyn's eating crab for the first time. I'm getting both. What do you think?
Kind of weird. It's kind of weird. It's kind of sweet.
Probably similar to lobster, how we described.
Can I see one of the sauces? You know I like sauce.
You gotta try the roll.
Spicy. That's good.
Okay, bye. Whoo! All right, folks.
I think we got a good workout in today.
We just walked up 6 flights of stairs to get back to the room.
Between the hike and the stairs, oh yeah.
The hike was what, 2 miles today?
3.3 miles.
Oh god.
All right, y'all.
So we're doing a haul of the things that we got today because we went a little crazy. The first thing is,
I'm going first.
hold on. Wait, no, I gotta show them my pin. Wait, it's in my pocket.
Woo!
Is it? Where is it? I have a rock
Ooh, your socks are cute, Mom.
from Mendenhall Glacier area, and I got a pin for the glacier. All right, Jocelyn, you go. What'd you get?
From Mendenhall Glacier, I got some stickers. If y'all didn't know, my favorite flower are forget-me-nots, and I found out today that it is the Alaskan state flower. And then I got some, I believe this is salmon. Oh, Mama's stripping in the back. And then, oh, either a raven, something like that. And then I got a shirt.
Yeah, it's a raven. Cute. Mendenhall Glacier.
Mom, are you close?
Okay. Yeah, she is.
Okay.
I found some handmade Alaskan-made soaps for the house and as a gift. This is the one shirt that I got for all of Alaska. It's a sleep shirt. I got it large so I can wear it to bed.
That's all you got?
Yeah,
Okay,
because I
wait.
got my pin.
All right.
I got a pin for every spot.
Now back to me.
Jasmine got a whole load of
I
stuff.
went crazy for me and my little boo-boo. But, you know, I got one of these. It has a sticker on it.
Shirt bundle.
Got one shirt and then another shirt. It has a bear. And then this is probably going to be one of my favorites. But it has a bear, a moose, an eagle,
I like
and a
that
wolf.
one.
And then, guess what? I got another one with wolves on it. Because I just felt like I needed to have this. And then another pack. Pink from my baby.
Mom? Mommy got a little shot glass for her collection. A fridge magnet for her collection. And then some t-shirts for the people that we left behind at home.
I'm dead. And that's it.
Okay. Alright, so that's the end of our haul. We're back on the ship. It's about 2:30 p.m., 3 o'clock. Look at her.
I'm done.
You look like the starfish that we saw
I
yesterday.
am so done. Done. That's the day at
Juno.
Juno, if you go to Juno, you're gonna get tired.
Okay. Bye.